Also ATL. Also ATL. Also ATL. Hi loves, it's your favorite girl. I know you guys don't know me yet, but soon it's Maintenance Day, one of my favorite days. Yeah, so come with me to get my nails and my lashes done. So I'm gonna be looking so pretty. My nails, I took them out yesterday, so they are so soft and it's still hurting me. But yeah, so let's go together. I have an appointment by 2, and guys, I have a cold. I don't know where that came from, but yeah. Let's go and get my nails done. I'm going to be making my hair tomorrow, so yeah, let's go. You guys, I'm going to work on skin control, and I have my appointment by 5 and I'm here by 4:12. Like, actually,
that's just a game we know. People can play. For tonight, I'm yours. So tonight, the truth. Or stay behind closed doors. 'Cause all I wanna do is
to make my hair today. I'm so excited.
Only because you ain't here.
Going back. I still have a lot. We're able to make this. This hair is not for people.
Promise to please ya.